On the topic of Ìbéèní Àgbàdo, so I'd like to ask you this question. Would you buy the àgbàdo that was harvested maybe yesterday or day before yesterday? Or would you wait to buy the Ìbéèní Àgbàdo? All right, so what is àgbàdo? Corn or maize? And now what is Ìbéèní Àgbàdo? Ìbẹ́ òní, eléyìí tó ṣẹ̀ lọ bẹ́ ní àti oko lónìí, like the one that was harvested today, today's maize, today's corn, the one that was harvested from the farm, directly from the farm today, the freshest one. So in our class on Sunday, my student asked me that, why should you always get Ìbéèní Àgbàdo? If there are a lot of people, maybe there is a queue, would you wait to get to be asking, ṣé Ìbéèní Àgbàdo ni tàbí mo fẹ́ Ìbéèní Àgbàdo? Or you just get what you want to get and go. And I said, if I can get the Ìbéèní, I'd rather wait because it's, we believe that it has this flavor, it has this rich taste. The taste is high, since it is the fresh one, so we love to get the today's own instead of getting the one that has been on ground since yesterday or 2 days back. So the one that was harvested from the farm today would rather wait. And he said, oh, if there is a queue, maybe a long queue, just get it and go home. Then I said, I would ask first to know. We all prefer that today's own because of the quality in taste, the freshness. And especially if you want to eat the corn, if you want to cook it as àgbàdo sísè, or you want to roast it as àgbàdo yíyan. So we prefer the fresh one, the fresh one. And apart from that, there are other things we can use maize or corn for. I use it for pap, for um, snack, for starch, yeah, for tuwo powder, this tuwo powder. You can use it for a lot of things. But because we want to eat it, we want to eat it as cooked àgbàdo, which is àgbàdo sísè, or roasted one, àgbàdo yíyan. So we always prefer the fresh one. Today's harvested. Oh, and then why are the àgbàdo sellers? Why do they always say olóko gbowó? If olóko did not gbowó, then you should give all of us a fee. Olóko gbowó, which means the farmer did not collect money, or the owner of the farm. Ẹni tó ní oko, the owner of the farm did not collect money. So if the owner of the farm did not collect money, give us for free. Tí olóko ò bá gbowó, ẹ fún wa lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ now. So and we extended that to other parts of our lives, or getting food or food items. So we prefer fresh ones, we want, especially fruits, we prefer fresh ones because we know that it will be highly nutritional. The taste will be great, and almost in everything. Of course, we want fresh ones, we want good ones that will benefit us more than the ones that have been on ground. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. And before I go, I'd like to ask, what is àgbàdo? What is corn called in your language? In Yoruba language, it is àgbàdo. Àgbàdo. And some people will say ọkà. Ọkà, oda. And what can we also call the Ìbéèní Àgbàdo, today's harvested corn, in your own language? Till I come your way again, I remain Adwola Bosede, and I'm Yoruba. Proudly so, unapologetically so, beautifully so. Till I come your way again, I wish you goodness. Bye.